Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app, and when you find it, just click on it. Now just allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now choose the right one again to access the list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is here. In order to play it, click on it. Red button. If you wish to rename it, you need to go back, hold it, and select those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on rename and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Now choose save. If you wish to delete your recording though, you need to hold it as well, but this time select this pin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up by choosing allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!